ZANU-PF National Chairperson Oppah Muchinguri has told critics and opponents to abandon any hopes of removing the ruling party from power, describing such ideas as unrealistic. Speaking at the national prayer gathering in Mutare last week, she emphasized that the party sees enduring strength and historical legacy. Sanabera mashoko buda panguva ino unokwanisa Oppah Muchinguri achimuka opponents achiti forget about removing ZANU-PF. Zisatapera mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino tiona vana Muchinguri vachitora stance panguva ino yekuseka vanhu. Those who are fighting the ruling party ZANU-PF will subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina vanangobuda nyumba muchinzi. In quotes, if you think ZANU-PF will be out of power anytime soon, then you are daydreaming. Wake up from your dream. ZANU-PF is a unique movement. We fought for this country. It's difficult to remove ZANU-PF from power, Muchinguri said. She accused both internal and external critics of envy toward Zimbabwe. Many people out there are envious of our country, but they are failing to remove ZANU-PF, she added. Addressing journalists directly, Muchinguri issued a sharp warning. You journalists, do your research properly. We did not negotiate for power. We fought for the liberation of this country. You don't just wake up from the blankets and think of removing ZANU-PF, she said. Her remarks underline ZANU-PF's determination to maintain its dominance despite growing debate over governance and calls for political change. By asserting the party's invincibility, Muchinguri has signaled that ZANU-PF intends to hold onto power firmly. Ndio mashoko atokwa panguva ino na Oppah Muchinguri, but chinhu chiri surprising panguva ino if mukanyasa ku notice here the tension is rising from within. The opposition panguva ino iri silent. Mukatarisa kuti vanhu vemuopposition vari prominent vakaita sana ziva President NELSONCHAMISA, all those people they are silent. And in though vanhu they want to remove the ruling party ZANU-PF, but panguva ino tensions are between ZANU-PF and ZANU-PF. Factions are within the ruling party. They are fighting each other kuti vakwanise kurula the country. Right now people they are fighting to remove ZANU-PF. No, people they are supporting VP Constantino Chiwenga. If VP Constantino Chiwenga akawina in his faction, the ruling party ZANU-PF will continue. But the fact is just that zviganada zvinenge zvangobva mashoko ari kuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi these guys they try to blame people who are outside of ZANU-PF, but they don't want to admit kuti ivo bato ravo rine chaos, ivo bato ravo havasi kunzwanana. Pina comment section medu dzimafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.